Do you know you can use unlimited transfers using wildcard on FPL? In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to use wildcard on FPL or Fantasy Premier League. Good evening from the top of the world. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to use wildcard. So at first, you must go into your PL or your Premier League app, and now you're going to go into Fantasy right here. And after you go there, you're going to go to your transfers. You can see that your wildcard is available right here, and to make a transfer you just click on one of the players, you click on replace. Now click on the other players. Now if you try to transfer more players, they'll reduce your points. So you can see right here, oh, it's not reduced as of now, so let me do it again. So you can see one player, now my other player. So if I try to make more than the free transfer that I have, you can use the wildcard to reduce your cost points. So you click on next, and how to use wildcard is, you can see here wildcard available, and after you click on that, the additional transfer used is 0, and you can use as many transfers as you want. So this is how you use your wildcard on your PL or your FPL. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.